Hello, welcome to the latest edition of Kidlit Book Mail. My name is Colby Sharp, 5th grade teacher in Michigan. And here in these book mail videos, I open up a bunch of books and you let me know down in the comments which ones you are adding to your to-read list so we can build our to-read stacks together. I'm not gonna open all of these, we'll kind of break them apart. Some this week, some next week. But let's just get started here and see, oh, they're falling. See what we have. So exciting. Oh, did you read Wolf Hollow? I have a student reading right now, and every day I ask for what's happening because it's been 6 years since I've read the Newbery Honor winning book, and I want to read this one, but I'm not sure if I want to reread Wolf Hollow, so I'm just like rereading it through her little updates each day. So this is the sequel to Wolf Hollow. All that being said, My Own Lightning by Lauren Woolk. I'm so excited. What a great way to start. All right, let's see what we have here. Fun little, this one next. Fun little blue package. Oh, the brand new Cat Kid comic club from the one and only Dave Pilkey, the third book in this new Cat Kid comic club series. What can we say? Just, it's so exciting. The kids are so into these books. They love everything Dave Pilkey makes, and I love Cat Kid Comic Club. I'm going to read this one this weekend for sure. All right, this is from Freedom with the F-R-E-A-D. Read, you see, you get it. And they make clothes and shirts and candles and mugs, and then you can wear it and, you know, support it, and you can show you're a reader. And they give, I think, like all of their profits to literacy organizations, which is really awesome. So, a little note from Brian and the team. This sticker, I really like this. They have this sticker in a hat, and it's probably my favorite thing they've ever made, and I don't own it yet, so I should probably get this hat. But I love that sticker. We're getting new MacBooks at school, so maybe I'll have to, there's other stickers. I'll show you the stickers. Okay, so these are their stickers. These are like the 2 OG stickers. And then these. And then the read one. I just love that one. And a bracelet. Very fun. A couple of shirts. Oh, this one's fun. Just says Word. It's long sleeve. Word and a little going against the status quo here. Pretty cool. I'm going to try one on. I'll be right back. What do you think? The new shirt. You like it? Pretty cool. Freedom USA with the A in freedom dot maybe org.com. Let's see. .com, freedomusa.com. You got it, folks. All right, let's get back to the books. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, this looks cool. A good thing happened today. At the end of each day, I try to share on TikTok, which I'm playing around with, the best part of my day. So that book sounds perfect for me. Sometimes, you know, you gotta really think about the best part of the day, especially a day like today when I'm recording this, where I gave the state test and it was rough. Margarita Engel singing the elephants. I really want to read this, so I need to read it. Novel in verse. Oh, she's so good. All right, let's see what we have here. Princess Charming. Ooh, I wish I could feel the glitter. I never give up. I just keep trying. Princess Charming. Where's my box cutter? All right. Okay, we have a Unicorn Thief, Skandar and the Unicorn Thief. I'm sure you know kids are going to love this, something like that. Repairing World, Linda Epstein. This is a cover that makes me want to read it. So, yeah, I'm going to have to read the back here. But not right now. But it looks really good. Oh, man. Oh, I just read this book. It's phenomenal. You should read it. It's super interesting. It's told in like emails and text messages and workbook pages. It's really, really good. Love radio. Pretty awesome cover. Yeah, that looks good. I'm going to show my wife that. Ooh, The Problem with Prophecies. Most people inherit eye colors or heirlooms, but for Celia Cleary, the gift of prophecy has been passed down in her family for generations. And on the 4,444th day of her life, Celia will have her first vision. It's fun. The Summer of June. Oh, I love Jamie Sumner's role with it, so I should probably read this. Forget second chances. This is the summer of new beginnings. Let's go. Let's see what's in here. Tra-la-la. Books, obviously. Oh, it's quite the cleanup situation here. Anyika and the Academy of the Sun. Her power will change the world. That cover is boss. As my daughter would say, bussin'. I think that's how you use that word. She would call that bussin'. The Clackety. Love this black and orange combo. Some shadows are best left in the dark. I already know which fifth grader I'm going to read the back of this book to tomorrow. I already did that, talked about that one. Astrid the Astronaut in Astronomically Grand Plan. Oh, that's fun. Chapter book. Oh, we're off to a roaring time today. We'll do like 3 or 4 more packages. I'm going to save some time to read some books. Clean up this mess. Oh, this looks cool. Growing an Artist. This story of a landscaper and his son. Wow. Let's look inside. Oh, look how beautiful. Yeah, that looks cool. Read that too. All right. I've Got Your Back. It looks like it's like kind of like a text message. The indispensable guide to stopping harassment when you see it. Oh, that's cool. If someone was having a medical emergency, you know what to do. You know what to do. If someone dropped their bag on the street, you know how to help. But chances are, if you witness someone getting harassed, you'd freeze. See inside a little bit. That sounds helpful. Check that out, folks. The Dove in the Belly, Jim Grimsley. I think that's Jim. Don't know anything about that. But you know, this Levine Corrido, they just won so many awards last year that you gotta check it out. All right. Should have used the back. All right, what do we have here? The Waiting Place, when home is lost and a new one is not yet found. It's like a story of refugees. I'm not sure. Really powerful pictures. Wow. All right. There's one package I really wanted to open. Oh, here it is. This is from my friend Linda Urban. Hide both of her addresses. And it looks like from Instagram and things that she has an young adult novel coming out this year. And I don't think she's written, at least I haven't seen any young adult novels. It's called Talk Santa to Me. She had little stickers made. This is so exciting. I don't read a ton of young adult books, but I read everything that Linda Urban writes. So, oh, Linda Urban, look at your packaging skills. Is this from your bookseller days? Oh, okay. So we have a, I know why a holiday rom-com is unlikely to be your jam. There's light kissing. But I said you everything you didn't want and didn't want to stop with this. I hope you will find a fun and funny during tough times. Thank you, Linda Urban. We have some tea. Christmas Eve, caffeine free. Oh my gosh, Linda Urban, seriously? It's like a little mitten with a candy cane in it. Do you see this? It's like a little mitten. I'm not doing the package justice with a little candy cane in it. I will read this book. Then do I read it in April? It snowed multiple times this week in Michigan. Talk Santa to Me. Fancy Wood has spent most of her Christmas-loving life at her family's holiday shop in Santa School. Yeah, I read this. I'll let you know how it is. September 2022. You should read it too because it's Linda Urban, folks. It's so pretty. I feel like I should take a picture of it. Kind of messed it all up. Talk Santa to Me. That seems like a great way to end. Friends, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for just hanging out with me once a week on these Kindle Book Mail videos. Please, please, please let me know what I should add to my to-read list. Hope you like my shirt. My name is Colby Sharp. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you have an awesome, fantastic day.